So guys, welcome to my vlog again. Dumating na po yung ating order para sa ating ADV upgrade sa my front fender. Kasi naatrasan tayo ng last 2 weeks ago. So we'll see kung totoo ba ito. So we'll see ano yung ating update. So i-reveal ko na in 3, 2, 1. Another Honda. Thank you Honda. Pamili.
You get a share?
Let's see if it's legit.
What color the plow?
Slot na naman. Now, man, it's crazy.
What?
Yeah. Sakit sa ulo. 3,000. That's crazy.
Are you going to put it on?
I'll put it on later. Kasi may pasok pa ako. But